Hey, what is up everyone? It is Jake Pimentel here from Pimetechnology, and today I'm doing a quick video on what is on my Apple Watch. I didn't highlight every single thing on my Apple Watch because I didn't want the video to go for like 10 minutes, but I highlighted some of the things that I use the most and showed what band I'm wearing and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this video. The Apple Watch that I went ahead and purchased used was the Apple Watch Series 1 42mm. So I was debating between getting the Series 3, the Series 2, and the Series 1. But I am on a budget, so I wanted to buy pre-owned, and also I didn't really need the newest features that were available in the Series 3. So then I debated between the Series 2 and the Series 1, and I realized that I really only needed the Series 1. The Series 2 had the extra waterproofing, but I don't really swim a lot. It also had the GPS feature, but that's not really useful for me. So I went ahead with the Series 1, and I have been very happy with it. When I originally ordered my Apple Watch, it came with the Sport band, and honestly it was really nice because you could use it, wash your hands and stuff like that, and the band wouldn't get all wet and soggy. But this does add a lot of extra weight. Surprisingly, this band is pretty heavy, and it's a stock band, so it's not the most comfortable thing, but it's not uncomfortable either. I went ahead over to the Apple Store and purchased the woven nylon band in the black color, and I've been really enjoying it. This thing is very, very premium. I did pay $50 for it, which I think is kind of expensive, but I really do recommend buying the name brand Apple bands because they are just so well made. This thing has not let me down. It's super light, so I noticed that when I put this on coming from the Sport band, it was way lighter. But the only problem with this is that when you do wash your hands or anything like that, this thing does get pretty wet, and it takes about 2 hours to dry off, so maybe even less depending on where you are. But overall, I am really liking this band. It looks awesome, and I've just been really enjoying it. As you can see here, I did a little bit of BRoll footage just to kind of show what it looks like on my wrist, and I really do like the look. The space gray Apple Watch with the black woven nylon band just looks really, really good in my opinion. I know that the black Sport band, if you guys were wondering, also goes really well with the space gray Apple Watch. So I really am liking this look. It's been really nice. People have been looking at it and saying that overall my Apple Watch looks awesome. So, I mean, it's definitely a win in my book. On my Apple Watch, I am rocking this watch face. I'm pretty sure it's called the digital one or something like that. It's called the modular watch face, and I really do like this watch face. It's very simple. It's very well put together. I have my phone widget right there in case I need to make a quick phone call. I also have my little ring here, which I'm always trying to close on this Apple Watch. I notice that very often. I also have my battery percentage here, the weather, as well as the time, of course, and the date. I think this watch face is very simple and very modern, and I like it a lot. Alright, so going to my home screen, I guess you could say, on the Apple Watch. First, I do have my watch app right here, which of course is very important. I also have a few other ones that I use often. I would say I also use the health one often, and this is where I go to check on my daily activity. As you can see today, I still have some work to do, but the day's not over yet. So I like how I can just go through here and see how long I've done things and how long I haven't done things. And I find that having this is very motivating for me to get out there and do stuff. Right now it's the winter and it just snowed a ton last night, so I probably won't be doing much running right now or really anything. But overall, I really do like this, and it really motivates me to continue going on and fill this every single day. Of course, another app that I use often is also the messaging app. Always in that. I really find it easy, intuitive to just go into here and send text messages. In addition, I also have the music app right there in case I want to switch through songs on my Apple Watch or really listen to music. Unfortunately, I don't have headphones that work with it yet, but in the future, I hopefully will get some. I also have the My Verizon app here where I can quickly go ahead and check my data usage and stuff like that. So it's really helpful and works great on here. I also have the Instagram app, which I don't even know. It's really bad experience. I wouldn't even recommend trying it. I also have the Apple Pay or the Passbook app right here. This is very useful. I can just go right from here, double tap on this side button right below the crown, and I can go ahead into my card right there, and it's just awesome. It works really, really well. I just tap my Apple Watch. I've used it to buy multiple things, and that's another feature I really love about this. Don't have to pull my phone out to even pay for things. I also use the weather app often on my Apple Watch. This way I can go in here and check what the weather is going to be like for the day. It's much easier than pulling up my phone and checking out the weather, or if someone wants to know what the weather is, I can just quickly glance at my Apple Watch on the main screen here and see what my weather is. So it's just really awesome. You can go in here and check it out. You can scroll through many different places that you have. So overall, I really like that about my Apple Watch as well. Overall, that is pretty much some of the big things that I use on my Apple Watch personally. Let me know what you guys use on your Apple Watch, or if you have any recommendations for me or anybody in the comments. Be sure to leave it down in the comments. And yeah, if you want to check out the band that I'm rocking on my Apple Watch, I'll leave a link to Apple's website where you can go ahead and get one for yourself. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content. Also, be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and be sure to share it with your friends in case they have an Apple Watch. Maybe they can find it useful, or maybe they even like the band that I'm using. Again, thank you guys so much for the support. Smile, because you and technology are amazing. And peace out.